Hi, my name is Anna Knoll, and today I'd like to talk to you about magical gardens with Vanda orchids on trees. I use air knots to install my Vanda orchids, and it's really easy and looks amazing. One air knot will hold one full grown large Vanda plant, and it's really clean and minimal looking. So this is what we do. First, we bend the air knot arms and adjust it and install it on the tree by screwing the center of the air knot. Make sure it's really fixed. Then take your plant. So here we have a full-grown Vanda, and we place it in between the air knot arms so that the roots and the leaves are carefully watched so we don't break anything. And then just hug the plant to make it stay still and protect the roots from breaking. It's as easy as that. I like to install them a little bit in an angle so that the leaves can have light on both sides, and also so that the roots stay hanging and have more air ventilation. Air knots can be used on walls and can also hold your fertilizer bags. And this is a vertical garden created just using air knots. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much. See you soon.